Today is Saturday. The weather seems pretty nice, and we are driving to Southern Illinois at Tunnel Hill State Park for a long bike ride. We are leaving Evansville right now. Lots of construction around. We just passed by University of Southern Indiana, and we have about 1 hour drive to get to Tunnel Hill State Park, and we will start our ride from there. See you at Tunnel Hill State Park, Southern Illinois. The Scooter Coffee Shop. Welcome to El Dorado, Gallatin County. El Dorado is about 10 miles from here. About 9 minutes drive. Alright, so we are here finally at El Dorado, Southern Illinois, and so we have our bike up here. So we're gonna drop down the bike and then get ready. We have some snacks. I have on my backpack here, snacks and whatever we need. So we should be starting here soon. And then we will, and the bike path start from there, and it is pretty neat bike path. Southern Illinois has created, so it's a nice, pretty stream, pretty clear water here. Anyway, it's a small town, El Dorado. That's El Dorado City Hall. But let's get going. Alright, we are officially on a bike trail now. Alright, it is gonna be a long bike ride, maybe about 5-6 hours, but we will try to enjoy and head back safely. So it's a little cloudy today. It's been a long time, few years, that I have not ridden bike in this trail, but I have done this few times with friends. So yeah, it's a spring season, so lots of greeneries. And one thing about this Tunnel Hill State Park bike trail is it goes through Shawnee National Forest, so I think that's a cool part. Here's another, some kind of a propane industry around here. I see lots of big tank, or it could be asphalt. I'm not sure. I mean, it's just Southern Illinois is pretty much lots of industrial area. Now slowly the gravel road has started. Oh, wait. So and slowly we will be getting into or riding through woods, lots of woods. and it'll be a pretty one. And hopefully there are few bridges also, and I think it'll be a cool day. I think it's a good day to ride bicycle. And the highway is right there next to it. There's a vehicle. There's a small bridge. Right now we are riding on a very fine gravel road. This is one of the trail where people, they could hike, run, jog, or bike. So I think this is really neat. Maybe Evansville could do something like this, you know. They could join Henderson, Kentucky and Evansville, Indiana with back road for a bike ride, just for a bike or pedestrian or jogger or walker. I think it'd be cool. Body's warming up, and maybe at some point I might have to take my this top off. So cool. On the way there will be lots of these kind of wild trees everywhere. Hopefully we get to try some ripened one. These are still not ripened, but I see few here and there, but still not ripened, so they are kind of red color. But it's kind of sour right now, but ripened would be pretty sweet. So let's get going. Highway, it's a back path. It goes pretty much straight. Here's another bridge. But there will be bridges. It's kind of a height, in a very tall height, and we would be able to see at the bottom maybe sometimes deer or sometimes big turtle. So this out in the nature, riding bicycle, so you know, just a beautiful day. Hope I'm not too loud. So I guess just because the highway is right next to me, and now this is the view. This is the view. Riding bicycle would be awesome. Even in the summertime, it'd be shady, and then one could ride bicycle staying away from the heat. So this is what I like about this trail. Lots of birds flying around, small stream. It's been over 5 years since I have came here and ridden bicycle. I do not remember having this road here. It was supposed to be, well, it was all rough road, muddy and gravelly, but maybe they repaved it or paved this road. I mean, it's good. It feels good, nice and smooth. So Right now just passing through a small part of the city, here and there, and the road still goes straight. So this is pretty much like a easy bike ride. I mean, it's long distance, but it's pretty much straightforward. And probably this is our like last stopping place, like if you want to eat something or yeah. And after this there's nothing, just out in the nature, out in the woods, just and your bicycle and the trail. Pretty much that's it. So yep, I've already grabbed everything before we hit the road, so everything in the bag, it's all good. Look at the road, it's pretty much straight here. It goes straight and straight. And there's a cool story about this trail, I'll tell you guys later. And this is just the beginning of the trail. So well, the actual Tunnel Hills trail starts right here, and let's see, I wonder how many miles we rode from city. I gotta, where's my phone at? Right here. Alright, so so it looks like we rode about 11.38 miles, where to get to the starting point of the Tunnel Hill State Trail. So the trail starts officially from here. So we're gonna take a quick pictures and then hit the road. This is for just when you have lots of dirt and mud on your shoes, but this time of the year it's kind of all dry, so I'm just kind of playing around. Wiping the shoes area, it's kind of brush, so it's cool. Let's go. Looks like somebody's making a fire in his backyard. It's all kind of smoky around here. Huh. Yeah. But this is super cool to ride a bicycle through the woods. And this goes for probably next 50-60 miles straight. We stopped by for a quick restroom break, but looks like the restroom is closed because of some repairment. Here's a quick story about this trail. This trail used to be a railway track, and it would go all the way from Harrisburg to all the way down to Wetland Center. But later on, now that railway track is deactivated, so the city turned this into a nice bike path. So this goes up to about 47 miles, about from here to Harrisburg to Wetland Center. So that's one way. I think it's one way. So just a quick history about this Tunnel Hill State Park. Began the track in about 1870, and it goes pretty far back, so it's cool. All right, we will keep riding and then find a restroom and again keep pedaling after that. So just a quick update about the weather. The weather is super nice today, and I saw this turtle shell, and it's all empty inside. Looks like the turtle is dead. I see a bunch of insect inside, and maybe the turtle is dead and all the insect got it and all the meat is gone, but there's a head, bone head inside it, and I think it's just it'd be cool to take home and preserve, or as a showpiece. Oh, there's a head bone. Look at that. Interesting. Oh well, hopefully if I remember on the way back, and I'll take home. Straight down there, trail. Alright, looks like sun's out, and still kind of a little bit breezy, but it's not bad, feels good. And there's a bridge we passed by. I thought it was pretty cool to show, but I was a little bit late to take my camera out and turn it on. But yeah, that's the bridge behind me. Meanwhile, the trail goes pretty much straight, and we've been trying to pedal fast. So I stopped by for a quick snack, and here I have here's a small house. I guess this used to be a train stop area where people would get on and off. And I don't know if this railway used to be just for public transportation or more for the cargo. Probably more for the cargo, I guess. So but now they have rebuilt this house, and this is a railway track. Used to be railway track. So there's a small children's playground and restroom, sitting area. So, and this goes pretty straight. So that's all about it. So yeah, it's pretty quiet, really quiet here. Not many people are on the trail. You know, it's kind of, this place is like out in the country, nowhere. That's why. When we were in Washington DC or Maryland, you know, and there were like hundreds of people riding bicycle, you know, running on a trail like this. So but now this is like in the middle of nowhere. So, you know, just whoever wants to come ride bicycle long distance, so this is it. And yeah, that's the one thing I really felt about, is this is a really quiet trail. Not a whole lot of people on trail. So I'm gonna keep going, and if I see anything interesting, I'll update. So peace. There's a fallen or broken tree there, and then I almost hit my head. I was just acting. But this is a pretty cool spot here. Small water pond, and there are a few turtle back there. See, but yeah, looks like it's getting uphill now. So pretty much from the beginning at this point till at this point, the road seems pretty much same, straight, and trees on the both sides, and just keep pedaling. So not a whole lot of interesting stuff. I'm trying to be creative, but same stuff. Besides, the sun came out, and now I just have to push hard a little bit on this uphill. So whew. We have about 2 stops, maybe about 10 miles to get to the Tunnel Hill. Yeah. And we stop by the stop area, rest area, ate a burrito, breakfast burrito, and keep going and keep riding, I guess. So, and after that probably we'll head back. So our goal is to head to the tunnel, I guess a railway tunnel. That's why it is called Tunnel Hill. and after that head back. So here's a new one, I guess. Probably this used to be a bridge and now there's no more bridge, so that's what it is. And I guess they and they added this new pavement with the rocks on the side. This wasn't here last time, 5 years ago. It was all rough road, rocky and gravel. So it should be closer to closer to tunnel now, sometime soon. It looks like tunnel is almost approaching, or I'm almost getting there. All right, I see it. All right, finally the tunnel is here. So I guess this state park is all about this tunnel hill. It's called because there's a big tunnel, long tunnel, and used to be for railway path, but now now it's all covered with sand and gravel. So, and this is why it is called Tunnel Hill. It says up there like a 1929 probably. This was built in 1929. But so yeah, it took about, I'm gonna say maybe 3 hours, maybe 2 and a 45 minutes bike ride. So this is it. I'm gonna go to that way. I'm gonna turn my light on and turn the light on and ride slowly, you know. There's my light. I see my light. It's dark. Right on the road. Oh, because I rode from. I don't want to go to the wall. I don't want this blink. There you go. Yeah, this is what I wanted. Okay. My light was flickering. Well, I had on a blink setting. But yeah. So this is a tunnel. I don't know. It's hard to see. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's kind of a city, but it's tunnel. It's a really long tunnel, and it's kind of muddy here. And so this is it, Tunnel Hill State Park. I like the echo here. But the geographical feature is pretty cool. There's the rocks on the both sides, just a little bit, and then yeah, it feels good, you know. Finally, beautiful weather. I was coughing. Looks like something got into my throat. So, and I'm here. I'm trying not to drift on the other side. Alright. Oh, I see. Somebody with another bike ride all the way back there. Yeah, I guess that people are running. Not people, there's somewhat on and off somebody's running, so that's cool. There's a lady. Oh, she's riding bicycle here. She got a light. There you go. Alright, welcome to Sandburn Junction. Says welcome bikers. It's maybe a small store for water, soda, ice cream or something. Let's go check it out. closer, get closer out here. Oh, hello. Somebody's there. Somebody's saying hello. Let's go check it out. Hello. Please be here. Smile, you're on camera. Where at? Oh, camera, hey. Sunburn made all natural bug repellent with lemongrass and citronella. So there are lots of bug repellent. I got a bunch of bike hats and this bike rental. I didn't say bike rental, but it's cool. It's like magazines. Ticket card. This card's empty. The snacks price: water, Gatorade, ice cream, candy bar, lemonade. Oh, it's all empty. Maybe it's gone. Everything's gone. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, there's a. Ooh, it's peppers and this and that. Alright. Oh, that's cool. Let's go there. Sorry. There used to be lots of bicycle here, old bicycle or rental bicycle. Not anymore. But it's not too far. Sandburn Junction, just kind of somewhere in the middle of nowhere. Unless they run this place or they run this place. I was surprised like how people could live this far, but they have vehicles, you know, and they can get around. That'd be alright. So I guess we're gonna head back. So alright, we're gonna take a picture here and head back. Let's do the quick snack. I have last 2 breakfast burritos, some short deck, some chocolate cracker, and some oranges. I'm gonna go ahead and eat. Big fresh. It says hot fresh, but I bought this early in the morning, so it's not anymore hot. But I'm getting hungry, so gotta eat whatever is around me. It has eggs and sauces. I should have asked for maybe some salsa or hot sauce. Well, I could drink water. Orange. We're gonna eat this and then head back the same route. I wish there would be another route so that we could make a loop. It'd be cool, but it'd be the same route. But I think heading back would be better. The same, I mean, the good route, because it'd be a downhill. On the way to Tony Hill was uphill. So see you in the car. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Ooh, 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 ooh. yeah. Now it's gonna be all downhill. All right, looks like look at this all red water. Looks like there's lots of iron in the area around. I guess this is just lots of red water. But anyway, let's hit the road. Let's get to the car. Yes, it'd be a good one. And that's downhill. Yeehaw! Do, 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 do. I have no idea why City of Harrisburg decided to pour sand on the bicycle path, and this makes riding really tough. It's like a punishment. And this goes all the way to Tunnel Hill. When I was here 5 years ago, and there was this clean dirt road like that at the edge. You see the white dirt, but now there's a sand everywhere. I saw this baby bird in the middle of the trail. I'm pretty sure the mother is right there. It's making a noise, but I don't know, what should I do? I guess I'm gonna leave it on the side. I mean here on a branch or something. I guess I'm just gonna leave it here on the side here. Looks like it broke its neck. It took about 6 hours to complete almost 68 miles, and I put the bike up. I'm waiting for my wife, and she's riding a little bit slowly, and that sandy trail is not fun riding. But finally I'm here. I made it, and then probably we'll eat something and go home slowly. Weather-wise, everything was good. Just cloudy, you know, and sunny, cloudy. It's all right. I guess that's just that's a good weather to ride bike. But yeah. All right. Overall, it was all good. It is a quiet trail. It could be just because this trail is like in the middle of nowhere. It's not like in Maryland or Washington DC or California or somewhere or Colorado. I mean, we have ridden bicycle 100 miles, you know, in DC, Colorado, and like there are just lots of people just walking by. At least you get to see something. But nature-wise, it's good, but it is pretty much like a solo bike ride. All right, we made it. So we did. So that's all. Really tired and a little hungry. So hope you guys like the video, and I would not come here again on this sandy trail. So that's all. All right, y'all have a good day, and see you on next regular vlog or something. So have a good night. Hello, welcome back. Alive, Sinta.
Thank you, Raja.
Hala.